Hey there, it's Jenna from the Intern Hustle, and if you're an intern or you hope to secure some internship experience in the future, then you're going to want to pay attention to the LinkedIn tip that I'm sharing with you in this video. Hit that like button if you're eager to find out what you must do on LinkedIn in order to stand out for future opportunities, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week on this channel. Hey there, I'm Jenna Ryan from the INTERNHustle.com, and this is Initiative Muscle Monday, helping you to start each week with an intentional step toward a successful future. Let's do this. If you're a student, there are a lot of reasons why you should be using LinkedIn. In fact, I feel so strongly that LinkedIn is the social platform that you should care most about that I created an entire online course where I teach students how to leverage LinkedIn in order to build a personal brand, network, and uncover professional opportunities. It's a lot more information and actionable guidance than I could ever fit into a YouTube video, so I packaged it up into a step-by-step online course instead. If you're interested in learning more about the Intern Hustle's LinkedIn course for students, then you can head to the internhustle.com/LinkedIn. There is one tip, however, that I really want to share with you here on YouTube, because I see so many people overlooking this low-hanging fruit on their LinkedIn profiles. It requires very little effort on your part, but it can have a big impact on your discoverability on the LinkedIn platform. And that's what you want when it comes to your professional presence online. You want to be discoverable for new opportunities. You want recruiters and hiring managers to find you. That's how you continue to build on your professional experience in a meaningful way. Think about it for a second. Wouldn't you rather have people approaching you with opportunities instead of stressing out about actively searching for opportunities on your own? Of course you would. Who wouldn't? And I'm not saying that your days of actively searching for internships and jobs will magically disappear if you apply the strategy that I'm sharing with you in this video. But if you do apply this strategy, it will increase the amount of keywords that you have on your LinkedIn profile. And keywords are what help you surface in the search results when recruiters are looking for people who they want to hire on LinkedIn. So what do you say? Let's get your LinkedIn profile working for you, shall we? In order to get the right people, aka recruiters in the industry that you want to work in, to start visiting your LinkedIn profile, you need to make sure that you're using the right keywords. The right keywords in this case are keywords that align with the industry and job descriptions of the companies that you are targeting. And they should also be keywords that are relevant to your experience, your professional interests, your strengths and skills. The key to keywords on your LinkedIn profile is to find ones that overlap between the job descriptions that you're interested in and you, just like if you were tailoring your resume to apply for a specific opportunity. For example, if you're in the College of Business at your school and you're studying and pursuing a career in accounting, you want to make sure that you are incorporating keywords related to accounting throughout your LinkedIn profile. And if you've narrowed down your interests and you're able to get specific with the type of accounting that you're pursuing, even better. For purposes of this example, let's say that you just completed an internship with EY, one of the Big Four accounting firms. Awesome, way to go landing such a great internship. And you're now ready to add this great new internship experience to your LinkedIn profile. Well, drum roll please, this is where most people get it wrong. They only go as far to list intern as their job title when adding their EY internship to their experience section. How do I know this? Easy. I searched for interns at EY on LinkedIn. The large majority only say intern as their title on their profile. So what should you say instead? Well, what type of intern were you at EY? Get specific and use the keywords that will help you stand out in future searches performed by recruiters. You want to be strategic in where you place these keywords in your LinkedIn profile as well. Your experience section happens to be one of the places that LinkedIn looks when sourcing results for LinkedIn search. And you want LinkedIn to pick you up when someone performs a search using those same keywords. Think of it as SEO, or search engine optimization, for your very own LinkedIn profile. By referencing the title and skills appropriate to your experience that are also frequently found in job descriptions, you're increasing your LinkedIn profile search engine optimization. So back to the EY intern example. If you were an intern that worked on audit accounting for EY as part of the assurance services team, then a good title to list in your experience section would be Assurance Intern at EY, not just Intern at EY. Want some more examples of what I mean? Let's take a look at my LinkedIn profile where I have all 4 of my internships listed from when I was a college student. As you can see, I didn't just list intern as my title in this strategic piece of real estate on my LinkedIn profile. No. Instead, I said things like sports performance intern, strength and conditioning intern, sports agency intern, and strength and conditioning intern Olympic sports. Do you see how those titles are a lot more descriptive? And not only that, but how I strategically placed key words in my profile? It's really that simple. But so many people miss this. If you're watching this video and you implement the simple strategy on your LinkedIn profile, you're already going to be steps ahead of most. And who knows, it could just lead to a recruiter discovering you and a potential internship or job opportunity in the future. If you found this video helpful today, don't forget to go to theinternhustle.com/LinkedIn to learn more about my LinkedIn course for students. In it, I share so many more valuable pro tips just like this one in order to help you leverage the LinkedIn platform to grow your professional network, uncover opportunities, and build your personal brand. Again, you can learn more at theinternhustle.com/LinkedIn. I will be sure to share the link in the description below this video as well. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you some new insights today, please give it a like and share it with a friend or two. Hit that red subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on future videos. In support of your hustle, I'm Jenna from theinternhustle.com, and I'll see you next Monday.